Ethereum, where code is law and gas is money. While Bitcoin swings on caffeine and regulators bicker, Ethereum just builds. Upgrades roll out, scaling improves, layer 2s boom, spot ETFs, live, restaking, turning heads, and wallets. As of filming, ETH trades at 3K market cap, approximately $360 billion. Not moonbound, but the fundamentals, stronger than ever. So, what is Ethereum in mid-2025? Why are giants from Lagos to Silicon Valley circling like sharks at a staking pool? Quick heads up, none of this is financial advice. I'm VIPE, crypto nerd, not your advisor. Please don't remortgage the house for gas fees. Ethereum launched in 2015, Vitalik and some rebels. The goal, take Bitcoin's base, add smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, meme coins, real estate tokens. Most began here, or run on it. Early Ethereum, clunky, proof of work, secure but costly. Then came the merge. September 2022. Ethereum went proof of stake. Energy use dropped 99%. Validators now stake ETH. 32 ETH for full access. But post Pectra, May 2025. Pooled staking allows entry from just 1 ETH. Supply, around 120.7 million. EIP 1559 burns gas fees. ETH is now mildly deflationary. It's not just a token, it's fuel. Security, capital, scaling. Used to be a joke. Then came Dencun, March 2024, blobs, proto-dank sharding, lower fees. Some saw 90% cuts. Pectra added smart wallets, validator flexibility, and set the stage for full dank sharding. 2025's buzzword, restaking. With Eigenlayer, stakers reuse ETH to secure other protocols. No extra capital. By mid-year, TVL hit $15 billion. ETH became programmable trust, but ETH has rivals. Solana, fast but outage prone. Avalanche, clean but small. Cosmos, Polkadot, still niche. Ethereum, older, trusted, with L2s like Optimism, Arbitrum, Base. It scales horizontally. A modular settlement layer. Risks, real, bridge hacks. Staking centralization, Lido, Rocket Pool. MEV challenges fairness, smart contract bugs, and in the US, still unclear, security or commodity, but devs keep building, proposer-builder separation, formal verification, stateless clients, slow, yes, but decentralization improves. Institutions are here. Spot ETH ETFs live in EU, HK. US approved theirs in 2024. Launch pending. Volume, approximately $30 billion per day. Volatility, approximately 6 to 7% weekly. Analysts project 3.2K to 3.3K Q4. Some whisper 5K to 7.5K by year end. 15K by 2030. If Ethereum delivers, Ethereum isn't hype, it's infrastructure, DeFi, ID culture, tokenized everything. Imperfect? Sure. Evolving? Always. Me? Cautiously bullish. If this helped, subscribe, ring the bell. Don't miss a signal in crypto noise. Newsletter, Telegram, merch, links below. Till next time, keep staking, stay sharp.